everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola. You're welcome. Today is a Sunday. We are just coming back from church and we are stopping off at an African store. This church is in Middlesbrough, so this is Middlesbrough.
In half a mile,
so we are we're making our way to the African store right now, and I'll see you guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the course of the vlog. Okay, we're not going to the park, Asha. We are going to
African store.
Thank you.
But I want park.
We're not going to the park. It's too cold for park.
It's cold. I don't know why you guys are shouting park, and it's locked. Did you see it open?
Not she. Get with the program. Get with the program. We're not going into any park. Any nonsense park.
You're
not even nice. Oh, content. Nice.
It's nice. Don't have that.
And so, my people, as we made our way to the African store, we're going to Abdul. And I believe this is a very popular African store in Middlesbrough. As we're making our way there, I was low-key thinking of what to make for lunch and then trying to decide if I wanted to take the whole family along. But then I was like, I can't do this to my husband. These children, they will just be on his neck throughout the entire process. So I was like, okay, let me just take everybody along so we can stretch our legs a little before we embark on our journey back to Darlington. But it did not take me long to realize that I was making a very costly mistake. Can someone just explain to me why it has to be so chaotic shopping with children?
It's a bit chaotic in here. I don't think I can be able to film for long.
So my initial plan was to take you along, as I always do when I come up for monthly shopping like this, to just show you around, show you what they have on the pews. But that was not to be, because you could not even understand or even appreciate the vlog because the background noise was just too much. But anyway,
hey guys, so we're done with the shopping now, and it got very chaotic very quickly. I mean, shopping with children, it's not being so. In fact, it's too much work as far as I'm concerned. As we entered the car, one of them just started shouting, I want to use the toilet, I want to use the toilet. So we're trying to empty bowels now before we enter road, because it's like 30 minutes to Darlington from Middlesbrough. You guys are staying in Middlesbrough. I don't know, you guys are having Lagos vibes. It's pure Lagos vibes in Middlesbrough. The Nigerian community in Middlesbrough is so unreal. Like, everywhere you turn, there's someone speaking Yoruba, there's someone saying something in an indigenous language, and it's actually quite beautiful. It's nostalgic, you know, when you actually experience it. But yeah, so we're supposed to just pick up a few things, but then we ended up buying and stocking up, because, you know, this is not somewhere we come often, and being that we're coming from church to this place, we said, okay, let's just get all these things so that at least for the next 1 to 2 months we're okay. Yeah, we can survive on the things that we got. So what is coming to an African store and not picking up chips? You see my household there, the way they cancel plantain, it is well fried or boiled or roasted, or I don't know. It's just it's wonderful to build. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys and catch up with you when we get back to Darlington. I'll do obviously I'm going to do a haul, so you get to see everything that we bought. But yeah, Middlesbrough is giving Lagos vibes, like unreal, pure, raw Lagos vibes. All right, you guys, so I'll catch up with you when we get back to Darlington. Asha is saying hello in the background. Say hello.
Bye.
All right, so we'll catch up with you when we get back home. I'll probably do a haul so that you get to see, although they are already eating some of the things that we bought, so you guys already understand that. Okay, so if I'm showing you half bag of chips, you understand where it went to. All right, you guys, I'll catch up with you when we're back. Okay, the people are back, the bladder emptiers. Okay. What do you say?
I want green chips.
You want green chips? Daniel, of your Jumi shege loni. Honestly, koya kin fún ẹ ní nǹkan, ó yẹ kí n fi máa lá ẹ lójú ni.
Ó fẹ́ tẹ̀ mí pamọ́ lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Nínú tọ́lẹ̀tì onítọ̀ yẹn. Who is winding down? Orumu Abi. The strange things you people do. Honestly, I can't understand.
It is swell. Anyway, you guys, we were making our way back to Darlington here, and we're just trying to link up back to the express. But as we're going, we decided to turn on the music and get everyone excited. But then this happened.
Daniel. Lie ò lè sùn. Bàbá jíjọ, wake him up.
Wake up.
Orun ṣe olóṣùn ó. Yàtọ̀ ṣe ogun aláwọ̀ kò. This is my time to punish you also.
Daddy will punish.
You are not sleeping anything.
Asha, wake
him up. You must
wake him up.
You must
Which sleep? No sleep for Daniel. Wake up.
Lie.
You will see disturbance today. You didn't let me vlog. Wake up. Wake him up. Wake up. I don't want to copyright infringement, so I will reduce the volume. Wake up, Daniel. You will not sleep. You disturb everybody. You've not even finished your trip. You are sleeping halfway.
Okay,
if you sleep.
You will sleep anything.
Daddy will now get his tablet.
No sleep, oh. Wake him up.
Nonsense and ingredients. After disturbing everybody, you now want to sleep so that when we get home, you're already recharged and fully awake to continue the disturbance. Never. We all get home and rest together. Anyway, you guys, we continued the trip and then we started to sing along and just get everybody to be active and participate. That's how Uncle started arguments on why there are so many mother-themed songs and why there are not so many father-themed songs. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like, there are so many songs sung for mothers and you don't find as much songs sung for fathers. Like, why is that? So that was the topic of discussion as we went back home. I mean, I don't see it like that, but you know, this was something that he pointed out. Is that how it is? Like, I don't know. Let's leave your comments in the comment section. I'm not really sure. Anyway, you guys, the boys also engaged in a game of rock, paper, scissors. They played this for a very long time, like almost throughout the entire ride. But so far, I made sure that everybody was awake and nobody was sleeping to come up disturbing us later on. I mean, I was fine with that. Anyway, this was Sunday, and the next day, I decided to do an unboxing for this very wonderful product. This is Joby mic. Joby is not a new brand to us here on Tola Lusi channel. I have done a couple of reviews for them for the Gorilla Pod and also the Wavo Pod mics. These are the mics that I use to film my videos, and they've given me so much clarity. But throughout this video, I have done this voiceovers with the Joby Wavo Pod, and this the volume, the clarity of the audio is so crisp. I can't even begin to tell you how much I love this particular microphone. It is really good. So the price of this is less than $100. If you are interested in purchasing this, I will leave a link to this mic in the description box. Please do well to check it out. The microphone also came with 2 cords, and you have the C type to C type cord and then the C type to the USB cord. So this connects well to your mobile devices, also to your laptops and cameras, and it is very versatile. It is so crisp. I promise you will enjoy this mic. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been using this to record some reels, and you know, it has been really doing well. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.